Welcome to the EMAC Technology Center. I'm Mike, one of the application engineers here, and today we will dive into the Milltronics 9000 series control. The 9000 series control is the latest CNC control from Milltronics, and it has improved immensely over the last generation, and we will show you a few of its capabilities in this video series. In this video, we will focus on the away offset function. To confirm axis movement during machine operation, it is beneficial to run the cutter at a safe distance from the material. With the program running, press Halt. Press Escape, then press either jog or hand wheel. We recommend using hand wheel. After moving the axis to a safe distance above the part, press Escape, press Run Program, press Resume. Stay will now be shown on the display. Press Stay, then cycle Start, and the machine will run with the manual offset applied. This is a great way to confirm machine movement before cutting. Remember, you can reach us on all social media platforms or simply call us for more information about Milltronics products. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.